Well, g'day curd nerds. I'm going to be doing a series of cheese making videos this month that I'm going to be calling the Cheese a Day Challenge. So during the month of February, I'm going to be eating a cheese a day. Well, not the whole cheese, but some of the cheese, just so that I can share with you some of the wonderful cheeses that I've found just in the supermarket and do a taste test and see what they taste like. Okay, the first cheese that we're doing this month is one that I found in the kitchen fridge, and it's a Jindy cheese. Jindy is the company, which is in Gippsland region of Victoria, in the town of Jindivick, of all places. Probably the name, that's why the name Jindy cheese came around. I'll just read what it says in the back. Says Jindy Triple Cream Brie is a full flavoured cheese with a butter-like texture that melts in your mouth. Beneath the white mould bloom lies a glorious golden interior. Crafted locally in Gippsland, Victoria, from full cream milk. So the ingredients in this cheese are pasteurised milk, and it says it contains a minimum of 14% cream. Salt, starter cultures, and non-animal rennet. Okay, so it says the fat content. If I look at the total fat, it says 39 grams per 100 grams. So that's 39% fat. Okay, so that's Jindy Triple Cream Brie. So let's crack it open and have a look what's inside. Nice big sticker. I can see that the gold foil that is around the cheese is basically a perforated cheese wrap. So get in there. Goodness me, this sticker's incredible. Glad I don't want to reuse it. Okay. So yes, fairly firm. I've had it out of the fridge for about half an hour. But yeah, definitely it's micro perforated cheese wrap with silver aluminium on it. Just get rid of that. And we've got what looks like a nice little cheese, full bloom cover. Like I said, it's fairly firm. So let's just cut it in half. That's really firm. So the paste is, well, it's quite yellow around the edges. It may have been in the fridge a little bit too long maybe, but it certainly isn't. Oh, you can press it and you get a bulge. So anyway, let's try it. It looks very rich. Now I'm going to try this cheese, well, raw, no crackers or anything like that. I want to get the full taste of the cheese. First, what's it smell like? Earthy, mushroomy tones. You can smell the creaminess as well. It's very flexible, it's not breaking. Very, very creamy. You can see the amount of extra cream they put into this. Very moreish. Let me just put that around in my palate for a little bit. Very nice. It's tastes a little bit like truffles as well. A little hint of that. More mushroomy flavours I can taste in the palate now. You can taste that richness as well, which is really good. Very, very nice. I've never been able to make a triple cream that is as creamy as this. So The paste is very stable, so I think they might have used a stabilised paste method, and you can achieve that in two ways, and I'm yet to experiment with it myself, and that is either use a thermophilic starter culture to make the paste firmer, or to wash the curds halfway through the process to lower the overall acidity of the cheese. So that stops the cheese from becoming runny just around the outside, just under the layer of mould. So I think that's what they must have done, or they aged it at a very, very low temperature. But very creamy. It is firm, but I think that because the age of the cheese, I had it in the fridge for about a month. Yeah, very nice, very delicious. I'd buy that again. I like it fresher, actually, as in just finished its 4-week to 6-week aging. I'd like to see what that tastes like then. But yeah, some nice flavours there. Quite nice. Great palate feel. It'd go nice with, say, a nice white wine. A dry white wine would bring out the flavours probably even more. Anyway, so that was Jindy Triple Cream Brie, I think. No, Jindy let me. Yes, it is. Jindy Triple Cream Brie. Sorry, I had to look at the packet again. But yeah, delightful little cheese. Very nice. Highly recommend it. It was about $6 for this wheel, $6 Australian. So not on the cheap side, but you don't really want cheap cheese. So yeah, very nice. I'd highly recommend going out if you are in Australia and you can get your hands on the Jindy Triple Cream Brie. Very nice. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. There will be many more to come. I'm hoping to make 28 or 29 all up. So watch out for tomorrow's episode, and that is going to be Roquefort. I've got some authentic Roquefort to try, so hoping to catch you tomorrow on the Cheese A, what do I call it? Cheese a Day? The Cheese a Day Challenge. Okay, all right, well, thank you for watching, Curd Nerds, and we will see you next time.